Hello dear student, welcome to the DAV Mobile Public School Sitasangi. I am your computer teacher and this is standard 7th. And in this video we will going to take a revision on Scratch first. Okay, so this is the part 1 of the revision of Scratch first. So let's start with the introduction. What does the above image shows? It is a cartoon of Mickey and Minnie. We all love watching such animated cartoon movies on television. But have you ever thought of creating animation by yourself? Don't you think it will be a fun? But do you know? Animation is a way of making a movie by using a series of drawings or photographs of objects that are slightly different from one another and that when viewed quickly one after another create an appearance of movement. We can animate our own favorite characters by using some computer software. Can you recall name of any such animation software? Yes, correct. That is Scratch. So let us discuss in details about one such software is called Scratch. Scratch software was designed for fun, is an educational software and easy to use and learn. It offers tools for creating interactive stories, games, animation and much more using block-based programming. But do you know, we do not need to know any particular computer programming language for block-based programming, as we only have to place the blocks in the right order. Similar Lego building blocks, that is animation, games and stories created in Scratch, can be shared online on its website www.scratch.mit.edu. Now let us begin our journey of learning and creating projects in Scratch by learning about its various components. So let's see components of a Scratch screen. See here, this is the toolbar, file toolbar. This is the blocks pane, and this is the current sprite info pane, and this black screen is the sprite script area, and this will be the block palette, and this will be the stage, and this will sprite, and the next is the sprite list. This is the toolbar and this is sprite toolbar. Let's discuss the various features of Scratch components one by one. So first, blocks pane. You must have played jigsaw puzzle where irregular cut pieces of various shapes have to be fitted together to form a picture or a design. Similarly, in Scratch there are different colored blocks that can be connected to each other like a jigsaw puzzle to create animation, games and stories. We can find 8 colors coded blocks in a Scratch name. First is the motion, another is control, looks, sensing, sound, operator, pain and variables. So all these blocks further contains the different puzzle pieces like shapes in the blocks palette that can be used to create code in a Scratch. But do you know, a code means giving instruction to write a program. Another is the script area. In order to create an animated movie, we have to first decide and write the script. In Scratch, we write the script in the script area. It is an area where blocks from the blocks palette are placed to write a script. Do you know? A script is a collection of blocks that are interlocked with one another for creating animation, stories and games. In order to create a jigsaw puzzle, we need to select and drag the blocks from the blocks palette and drop them in the script area. Blocks can be removed by dragging the blocks back from the script area into the blocks palette. We can also change the value of blocks in the script area. We will learn to write the script in the next chapter. Blocks can be removed by dragging the blocks back from the script area into the blocks palette. We can also change the values of blocks in the script area. We will learn to write the script in the next chapter. Third, stage. Usually, before starting the shooting of any animated movie, sets are designed and prepared in scratch. These sets are designed on the stage. When the mouse is moved anywhere on the white area of the screen, the value of x equals to 215 and y equals to minus 257. That is, x and y coordinate changes. This white area is called the stage. In this area, our stories, games and animation is executed. This stage is divided into x and y grid. It is 480 units wide and 360 units long. The middle of the stage has x and y coordinate is 0, 0. So we can change the view stage by clicking on these three buttons, that is view mode and presentation mode. This stage has two more buttons. See, start green flag scripts. When we click on this button, the script gets activated, and stop everything. So when we click on this button, all the activated scripts are stopped. So in this way we see the basic components of a scratch, and again we see some features of a scratch components. We see here block span, script area and stage. Okay, in the next video we will go into the further for of this lesson. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.